Number 1. Give a grade. It means to assign a mark or rating to a student's work.
The teacher will give grades on Friday. The teacher will give grades on Friday. He gave a grade of B on the essay. He gave a grade of B on the essay. Students anxiously wait to be given a grade. Students anxiously wait to be given a grade.
Number 2. Give the go-ahead. It means to approve a plan or allow someone to start something.
The manager gave the go-ahead for the project. The manager gave the go-ahead for the project. Once we get the go-ahead, we'll start building. Once we get the go-ahead, we'll start building. They gave the go-ahead to proceed with the event. They gave the go-ahead to proceed with the event.
Number 3. Give the impression. It means to make someone think or feel a certain way.
She gives the impression of being very confident. She gives the impression of being very confident. His speech gave the impression of sincerity. His speech gave the impression of sincerity. The report gives the impression of thorough research. The report gives the impression of thorough research.
Number 4. Give a laugh. It means to laugh, usually in response to something funny.
He gave a laugh at the joke. He gave a laugh at the joke. The clown's act made everyone give a laugh. The clown's act made everyone give a laugh. She couldn't help but give a laugh. She couldn't help but give a laugh.
Number 5. Give a lecture. It means to deliver a formal talk or presentation, especially in an educational setting.
The professor will give a lecture on economics. The professor will give a lecture on economics. He gave a lecture at the university yesterday. He gave a lecture at the university yesterday. She's scheduled to give a lecture next week. She's scheduled to give a lecture next week.